muingi mwena uyu mwandikitwo trizah Wainaina no raikorwo agituhingurira gikujiro hwaini wa umuthi.
Umuthi Minister wa Ugitiri wa Baringo Kindiki nekinyire igongona ria kuruguria kambi ya jeshi itũra-ini ria Silale, Kauntiini ya Baringo. Augite ati honge cia ugitiri iria ciratumwo mwena ucio cikorwo na andu kiumbe aria makoretwo makigagia aikari kaunti-ini iyo.
Administration under President William Ruto does not believe in collective punishment of any community. We believe that criminals are individuals, and security agencies that we bring here today, their task is to hunt down and arrest, prosecute, and deal with criminals as individuals.
Oho neugite ati bara ya kurwa na Utoi ndigukorwo irongoreirio nduriri iria cikaraga mwena ucio, na oho akauga ati honge icio ni ciuritwo cikare na thayu na aikari niguo mahote kuhotana bara-ini iyo.
And this special unit we are bringing here is not a unit to punish the people of Thiriakari or the people of Baringo. It is a unit to protect the lives and properties of the many people who live in this area who are law-abiding. It has to be clear. This administration does not believe that there is any one community that should receive collective punishment.
Hari kuhurana na aici a Mahiu, Kindiki neugite ati icigo imwe ni gwikirwo notithi eta njira ya guthorima migirire ya andu.
For us to end cattle rustling and livestock rustling, we are using the strategy first of preventing rustling. And that is why we gazetted some parts of this county as disturbed and dangerous areas, because we realized for us to prevent rustling, these areas must be out of bounds for members of the public because they were being used by criminals to hide there.
Nogire ati thirikari ni gutigirira ati mahiu maria morete ni macokerera ene kuona ati abitha a ugitiri ni mekuruta wira wao wa gucarania na aici acio.
And we have instructed the agencies here that they must live with the local people and build connections and build relationships with peace-loving members of the society. We must recover all the stolen livestock. And we have instructed members of national government administration who are working here together with our police officers to ensure that no livestock rustling takes place. And when it happens, we must be able to recover the livestock.
Kirivotera Muingi TV, jitagwo trizah Wainaina.